Hello guys, Andrew here with yet another video, and on this video I'll go over the 6-step criteria I use to choose a good affiliate offer that actually makes me sales. But before we go any further into the tutorial guys, for any of you who are new to my channel and would like to learn more about affiliate marketing, subscribe to my channel. We're here because I'll be dropping more videos and regular videos on affiliate marketing, teaching you how to start and improve your affiliate marketing business on a regular basis. Okay, so subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any video I drop. Anyway guys, let's get straight into the video. How to choose winning affiliate offers. Okay, so I'll go through the 6-step criteria, but before we get into the 6-step criteria, there's something I would like to maybe get straight with you guys. So we have something here that sometimes gets to mix up people. So we have affiliate networks and affiliate programs. Okay, so there is not much of a difference between these two, but there is something that you should note when dealing with the two of these. Okay, so what are affiliate networks and what are affiliate programs? So affiliate networks are third-party sites where product owners list their products. Okay, so the reason they list them on these third-party sites is because affiliates are able to find the products on these third-party sites and promote them. So they put them on those sites so that affiliates are able to get them and promote them. Okay, so they intentionally want the affiliates to find them on those sites and make them money as well as make themselves money. Okay, I hope you get that. Whereas affiliate programs are owned by individuals. Okay, so how does this work? Let's say a company is making drones. Okay, so instead of listing their affiliate, okay, their products on Clickbank or JVZoo or Max Bounty or another affiliate network, they just have an affiliate program on their site. Okay, so whereby you'll go ahead if you want to promote their drones. Maybe you've used their drones and you like them and you'd like to recommend them to someone, so you just go ahead and go to their site, apply for the affiliate program and promote the offer. Okay, so you're able to deal with them directly. I hope that makes sense. So anyway, let me clarify that for you. So this is JVZoo, which is an affiliate network. When you head on to JVZoo and you've logged in or you've signed up, now you come here to affiliates. On this affiliate drop down menu, you'll find products. Okay. So once you do that, you'll come to this page over here. So on this page, we have videos, template club, pro themes, videos, commercial, video maker effects, and so on. So there are many different products that have been listed here by the product vendors to allow affiliates to promote them. Okay, all right, so when we get to affiliate, that's an affiliate network. So now when we get to an affiliate program is whereby let's say you want to promote drones, like the example I've given you. You just go ahead and Google drone affiliate program. Okay, so you search for something that you would like, right? So let's say I searched for this and I found Scorpion drones, and they have exactly what I'm talking about. So when I go onto Scorpion drones, I'm able to see that you can apply to get approved to be an affiliate for Scorpion drones. Okay, right here. So if you're a new affiliate, you just apply over here, continue. You are able to get into direct contact with their sales team to allow you to promote their products. Okay, so you make money every time you refer someone to Scorpion drones and they buy drones from them. All right, so with that said, I'd like to get into what this video will be mainly about today, so which is the criteria I use for choosing a good offer. So this is the criteria I use. How many sales does the product have? How does this get into play? So what I tend to use sales to determine is whether or not there is a market, and a hungry market for that matter. Because if there are sales is being made, if the product is making sales, okay, if the product has been sold to a certain number of people, let's say the product has been sold to 200 people, in maybe it launched 2 days ago to 200 people, whereas a product that launched a week ago, it also has 200 sales. There is a difference between those two. In one of the products, the one that has 200 sales in 2 days, you can see that the product is okay, it's selling more than the other product. Okay, so that tells you that there is a hungry market for the product two, for the product one that is selling within the 2 days has sold over 200 copies. Okay, so that helps you determine whether or not there is a hungry market for the product you want to promote. So what is the commission payout? This comes into play whereby commission payouts, they range between maybe 2, 4, 5%, 10%. It depends with how much the product owner has decided to give out to their affiliates. Okay, so it can also go to 50% and 100%, especially for the info products. So you can get up to 100% commissions on a product that is $27, $57, but mostly it's usually for commissions that are low priced. Maybe for products that are low priced, like $7, $20, around there. Okay, so for most products around $300, you might get 50% commissions. Okay, so when you compare these two things, whereby let's say product A is a $300 product with a 6% commission. Okay, whereas product B is a $200 product but with a 50% commission. So you'll be making more from promoting the product that looks like it's cheaper because of the higher commission than the product that is more expensive but with a much lower commission. Okay, I hope you get that right. So who is the product owner? This goes down into eligibility and how much this product owner is known. Okay, how does the product owner have a reputation to uphold? Okay, so this determines also the quality of the product, because if a product owner has a reputation to uphold, he won't want to let down the affiliates. He won't want to throw dust on his name because of a crappy product. Okay, so he'll do his best to bring out a good product. All right. So what are the conversions? So here I'd like to explain to you what conversions are. So the conversions are 30%. So by 30%, they mean that 30% of the people that have seen this offer, which has sold over 70,000 plus copies, have bought the offer. Okay, so this number here, the sold number, is 30% of the total number of people who have seen this offer. So the number of people who have seen this offer is definitely larger than 70,000. Okay, I hope you understand that, guys. Alright, so that's what the conversions are. So are there any prizes? Alright, so prizes help in motivating affiliates to promote the product. Okay, you might think of this like, Andrew, why should I promote a product where many affiliates are promoting it as well? Okay, so here's the thing that goes down into this. You want to promote a product that also has competition, because that means people will be liking the product. The product has a market. These other affiliates will also have used their criteria to determine that this is a good product to promote. It's a product that has high conversion. It's a product with a good payout. It's a product with sales. Okay, it will be bringing in sales into the product, so the product will be hyped. You understand what I mean? Okay, so the prices you might find, like for the affiliate with the most sales, that's the affiliate who comes out first in the leaderboard, will get about 5,000. It depends with what the product creator has decided to offer to the affiliates. And lastly are other affiliates promoting the product. Okay, this goes into par with, are there any prizes, because if there are good prizes, then other affiliates will be promoting the product. So that's simply the 6-step criteria I use in choosing an offer to promote. Okay, so after choosing a good offer, you need to match it to an audience that will find the product useful. So maybe you've already found your offer, you've narrowed down to an offer you think will be good. So the work is not yet done, it's just beginning. So now you need to find a market or an audience that will find the product useful. So this, we talk about congruency of the product with the audience. Okay, so when you're going to buy, maybe you're buying ads, maybe you're promoting it to your Facebook group, your YouTube channel, and so on. You want to find a product that will be suitable for your audience. Okay, you cannot promote a fat loss offer to someone who is interested in making money or to someone who is looking to sleep better. It won't convert very well. It will hurt your chances of conversions. Okay, that is why you need to focus on one niche, then narrow down on a particular target market that is congruent to your offer. All right. So yeah, guys, that's about it for choosing a good offer to promote and how to actually go ahead and um, match it to your audience. Okay, so this is very crucial. This will help you a lot when it comes to conversions, and it will be a very good addition if you could do some of the steps I've outlined in this video. Anyway, guys, that will be it for this video. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you'd like more videos on how you can do better with affiliate marketing, because I'll be dropping regular videos. Okay, so hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos I drop in the coming days. So that's it for this video, guys, and peace. See you on the next one.